In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how long you should wait before removing forms after pouring concrete so your project doesn't end up a total mess or fall apart. Alright, so here's the deal. When you pour concrete, you gotta give it enough time to set and gain strength before pulling those forms off. Usually, you're looking at waiting at least 24 to 48 hours for the initial set before touching anything. But that's just the start. Concrete keeps curing and getting stronger over weeks, so don't rush it if you want durability. If the weather's hot and dry, it might dry faster but also crack more easily, so keeping the surface moist for a few days helps big time. For smaller projects like sidewalks or patios, waiting 2 days is usually solid. For bigger slabs or structural stuff, like foundations or walls, you might want to wait a full week or even longer before removing forms to avoid damaging the edges or weakening the structure. Always check the concrete's hardness by gently tapping or pressing on it before removing forms. If it still feels soft or crumbles, give it more time. And don't forget, using high-quality concrete mix and proper curing methods really makes a difference in how fast and strong your concrete sets. Basically, patience here pays off big time. One of the most common mistakes I see is taking the forms off way too early. This can cause cracks or the edges to break off, which messes up your whole project. Another big screw-up is not keeping the concrete wet during curing. If it dries out too fast, it won't reach full strength and can crack like crazy. Also, ignoring weather conditions is a classic problem. Pouring and setting concrete in extreme heat or freezing temps without adjusting your timing or mix can seriously weaken your slab. To fix these, just give your concrete time, keep it moist, and pay attention to the weather forecast before planning your pour. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot that hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding the right people for your job. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a cool way to get steady work by connecting with folks who need projects done nearby.